So we have looked at many of the ratings that are available in the market today, and when we looked at many of these ratings, they tend to be desk research, right? And you cannot really just look at disclosures that the company makes and just rate them based on the disclosures. And hence, when we looked at various of these offerings, we said that desk research will not be able to identify the areas that we really want and we really think are important or critical for a company. You have to go and visit plants, factories, talk to various intermediaries in the channels of companies to identify what the company is doing and saying is the same thing or not. We alluded about greenwashing in the previous panel, and there are instances of greenwashing out there in Indian market. Over time, it will phase out as companies or investors get more vocal, point out these issues. But until then, you have to understand that what you see and what you get is not the same thing. And hence, that is why we have not subscribed to many of these indices which are available out there. And hence, we thought let us do it our way. And I think our way of getting into the mud, trying to identify what's clean, what's not clean, and I think it's working well for us.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.